site-based training facility that offers a variety of boot camp style classes in a very welcoming environment. Calories for Kids is just a fun little initiative that we try to put together for Brown Bag for Calgary kids. We grabbed a couple of our partners and some of our members and we formed teams of 4, and we're having a friendly competition on who can raise the most awareness by taking pledges for donations and growing as many calories as possible. A lot of people and a lot of households in and around the city are being more and more affected by, I guess, the rising cost of food as well as the diminishing income coming into your home with layoffs and stuff like that. So we thought it would be just a fun little initiative to raise awareness and help Brown Bag get some money. But for those of you out there that are interested in raising awareness, do it. Just do it. It's not as intimidating as you think.